Hello fellas, as you can see, have the Makita 10.8 really old Leon battery, and this battery is not accepted by the charger. And now we have positive to the positive, of course. I don't have very good contact here. Okay, basically now when I will measure it, I will see the same voltage here, 10.8 now, and 10.almost 8 now. That I will see some better voltage here. Yeah, I can see 9.2. So I have the hope that the old battery will be accepted by the charger. And it's a little bit sad that my charger is on the wall. I cannot film it. Okay. So I will put it to the battery, but I think it will work because